Hey Spoops, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can turn yourself into Lady Gaga's version of Harley Quinn from Joker Folie. I absolutely love seeing all of the different takes on Harley over the years, and this one I thought would be so fun and so easy to do for Halloween, so I was definitely excited to turn myself into her. I'm also going to be showing you how you can style the wig as well, just to kind of give you an option if you don't want to use your natural hair. But with all that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So to get started, we're going to be working on the wig. I got this blonde wig off of Amazon and I will have it linked down below for you guys. I'm going to be starting off by taking my Got To Be Glued spiking glue and going ahead and running my fingers through the bangs and pulling it back to the back of my head and holding it there so that way it can dry. And once it is dried, we're going to have this nice smooth slicked back look. And then I'm just going to be taking a neutral body paint and just lightening up those roots a little bit, since it did seem to be a little bit dark and definitely started to lean a little bit more brown than I was wanting, and I definitely wanted it to look more blonde. Then to create the illusion of slicked back hair for the rest of the hair, you're going to take a mixture of equal parts glycerin and water into a spray bottle, spray that into your hair, and then just go ahead and comb that out. Following that, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer and applying that all over my face before going into my NYX Total Control Foundation in Pale and applying that all over my face before taking my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Foundation brush to go ahead and blend all of that out, bringing it down to my neck as well, just so it can blend seamlessly into the rest of my skin. For my contour, I'm going to be going into my Cream to Powder Foundation in Mocha from Buckle Bunny Beauty and applying that to the areas that I want to add definition. So that is going to be under my cheekbones, my nose, my jawline, and my forehead, before making sure to go ahead and thoroughly blend all of that out. To set the powder, I'm going to be taking my MAC Cosmetics and Patrick Star setting powder, and I'm going to be applying that all over my face with this powder puff. I'm also going to be adding some more definition with my KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette, taking the lightest contour color and applying it to all of the areas we applied the cream contour before. She also has some shadows on her face, so I wanted to go into my ColourPop Baroque palette, taking these two gray colors and just defining my cheekbones a little bit more with more of a cool tone color. I'm going to be highlighting my nose with my Cool Me Down Wagon Wheel palette from Buckle Bunny Beauty, and going into brows, I'm going to be taking my NYX Micro Brow Pencil in black and just lightly feathering that through my brows. She doesn't have anything heavy on her brows, but just a little bit of definition to help frame the face. And moving on to eyeshadow, I'm going to be taking my Smashbox 24/7 Photo Finish Primer and applying that to my eyelids before going into my ColourPop Villains Misunderstood palette, taking the black eyeshadow and starting off by applying that under my lower lash line and then on my upper lash line as well. We're then going to begin to flick that out on the outer corner of our eyes to start to create that diamond shape on the eyelid. I'm going to be bringing that down from the center of my eyebrow and then also creating an angle right towards the inner corner of my eye as well, before adding the two lines on top. And I'm just going to be taking my finger and lightly blending the crease right there just to kind of give it a little bit of shadow before adding the lines under my eyes as well. I'm then going to be taking my Mare Paradise paint in black, and this is where I'm going to be adding a little bit more dimension to the look by doing some line work. I'm going to basically be applying a nice thin black line to all of the design that I've done. This is going to help make it stand out from those shadowed areas. And I'm going to be going back into my ColourPop Baroque palette, taking this really pretty shimmery gray and just lightly applying that to the perimeter of the diamond and using my finger to blend that out. I'm then going to be prepping my eyelashes by curling them before going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and sweeping that thoroughly through my upper and my lower eyelashes. For my false lashes, I'm going to be taking these Extension Seeker false lashes and just applying that to my upper lash line before moving on to lips. I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Come We Fly lip liner and outlining my lips with this red. I wanted something that's going to match my lipstick nicely because she doesn't really look like she's wearing any lip liner. So for this, I'm pairing it with the ColourPop Mary lipstick. It's from the same Hocus Pocus collection, so they match perfectly, and I'm just applying that all over my lips before going into my One Size Beauty setting spray and applying that all over my face. And that is my completed Harley hair and makeup tutorial from Joker Folie Deux. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below what video you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of my videos. And with all of that being said, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!